Okay, guys, Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, True Phoenix. We're redoing the pump. Now, he told us to clean it off with mineral spirits. I did not. I don't like the way mineral spirits smell. Instead, I used OxyClean. Link in description below. And a brush. A cleaning brush. It's around here somewhere. Cleaning brush and OxyClean. And I cleaned it off. And as I was cleaning, I noticed that inside here, the bushing was supposed to change that bushing out. Supposed to change that bushing out. But that bushing seems to be Teflon coated or something. It's like a Teflon coat on that. And you could see, I don't know if you could see that or not, but you could see where the Teflon is sort of coming loose around the inside. Now, if I had the right to have a brain, I would go ahead on and change that. Spend I don't know how much money on how much those bushings would cost to change that and change it. But my brain doesn't function that way, guys. My brain says this car is going away at some point in time in the future. Whoever gets it, you'll know that I did not change the bushings out in the transmission. Now, he wants us to start putting this thing back together. And the first thing that he wanted us to do was to put in the, you can see also where I nicked it trying to get it out. See that right there? I nicked that trying to get that joker out of there. Right through there. Right there. So he wants us to go ahead on and put that seal back in there. So to make sure this is flat. And whatever we use to put the seal in there should be flat. So I'm going to pull out the new seal from my trusty, you guys guessed it, Precision International, link in the description below. Precision International, no, they're not paying me, but Amazon might pay me something if you decide that you want to buy it. I can't say I highly recommend it because I don't know. I don't know if it works or not. I just got it because it was reasonably priced and I trust them. I've had them before. Now, on transmissionbench.com, they sell parts too. So you going over there, take a look around. They may be able to hook you up. Alright, so now, if I push down on that with a tool, it's gonna be hard as I don't know what to get in there. So I don't know if I should put that in there dry or if I should put that in there wet. He'll tell you what to do. I think he'll tell you what to do. But me, I think that I'm going to put it in there dry. And I'm going to see if I can find something to go over on the top of it, because all the pieces of wood that I've used, they're in use. And let me go find something, and I'll get back with you guys later after this is driven in. If you want to know how to do it, just go on his line. Go online to that It's Starkey guy, and he'll show. What he does is he puts it on a flat, something flat, and then he takes something like a. What did he take? He took a tool. He took a A tool. You know, I've got a tool. I don't think I have one that big though. Drove it in there. Alright guys, y'all take it easy and I'll talk to you when this is done.